Recently, I published a video on the full feature set of the Waze navigator when using Apple CarPlay screen. I've been told that the last video was too detailed and a more simple set of instructions are needed. So here it is. Step 1. Tap the Waze icon. Step 2. To enter a destination, press the magnifying glass and you'll see recent searches and a keyboard to type a destination. Step 3. You can access your saved destinations by pressing the rectangle, and those saved destinations can be entered on your phone. Step 4. Use the microphone to speak the destination, and then the trip's plotted for you. Step 5. Press the 4 arrow icon and use the arrows to move the map on the screen. Step 6. Press the Done button to return to the active map where your car will be showing at the centre of the screen. Step 7. Report incidents by tapping the orange triangle button. Use the appropriate button. That's it. Waze in a nutshell.